Hi, my name is Jim Poole. I'm the CEO of NuCalm, and I want to share with you the recipe that we've seen be successful for professional athletes since 2011. Rescue, DeepestSleep, and Ignite are the three keys. Let's start with rescue. Athletes push hard. They push their body hard, they push their mind hard. They're filled with lactic acid and inflammation after they work out or after they perform. Imagine being able to recover on demand in as little as 20 minutes. And not only in that state of recovery can we lower your inflammation, remove lactic acid, and allow the body to heal and restore faster, we also clean your brain. We stop any negative activity that occurred from a poor performance. You know, Mike Gapski, the former head trainer of the Chicago Blackhawks for more than 3 decades, I think said it best when he said, "We want our players to play intense, not tense." And NuCalm allows them to do that. So rescue and recovery is pivotal. And you would do this once or twice a day. Anytime after you work out or perform, you can literally downregulate. And we put your brainwave frequency in a state similar to being a monk without you ever having to learn how to meditate like a monk. You simply press start and we do all the work. DeepestSleep and DeepestSleep Plus are also pivotal because it gives you the restorative sleep your body needs to heal and restore and make up for all the action that you put it through. With a speaker in your bedroom, you press start. The volume is up to you. It's of no consequence to the experience. We're delivering up to 3 gigabytes of mathematics, algorithms, and physics underneath music through resonance and vibration in your bedroom. Now, you travel a lot. We get that. So have a little travel speaker and travel with that speaker and use DeepestSleep or DeepestSleep Plus each night. The combination of rescue and DeepestSleep will balance your nervous system. And a balanced nervous system will allow you to be more resilient, recover faster, lower inflammation and lactic acid, and clean the slate on your brain so that if you have a bad game, if you perform poorly, you don't beat yourself up from it the next day. It's truly a clean slate. Lastly is Ignite. Ignite we created more than 10 years ago with the express intent of elevating your energy to a peak performance state physically and mentally on demand. It's a 13-minute program with just a headphone or in-ear buds. We cycle your brainwave frequency up all the way to 41 hertz, where we activate your gross motor cortex and your sensory motor rhythm. This is your musculature, your body, your muscle memory. We also activate your olfactory, your peripheral vision, and your mental acuity. This has been used by elite military warfighters for more than 10 years to make them mission ready and during the mission to keep them safe and executing the mission per their training. So this combination of rescue during the day and after you perform, DeepestSleep at night for you to sleep well, and Ignite to elevate your energy before practice, before a game. This is the key to NuCalm's success. With the best athletes in the world since 2011, we've supported 79 professional sports teams, and we're here to support you.